welcome back to my channel, Funix Creation. So guys, today I'm gonna make a really cute thing, but before that, let me invite my dear best friend Tweezer. Hello Caesar, it's been so long. Yo Tweezer, come on, have a seat. Yeah, sure Caesar. So Caesar, tell me, what are you gonna make today on your channel? Wait, let me show you something. Look there, I got a request from my dear subscriber. Ooh, let me read. What is it? DIY miniature hand pump? Yeah, as I told you, I wrote a poll on my community few days back, and there everyone wants to see a DIY hand pump also. So I thought, why not make this one? Isn't it a good idea? Yeah, it's a very good idea. I do want to see you make it. So without any delay, Tweezer, let's get on into the video. You know what I say next, right? Let's say that together. Let's go!
So for this you will need cardboard, foam sheet, craft wire, some paints. So let's get started. So as you can see, I've taken this cardboard over here and I'll just fold it into a cylindrical shape. So after doing this, I've made two holes on these two cardboards, and now I'll just fold this also and make a cylindrical shape, but little bit thick than the one I made before, so it will be little thicker. And now I'll just attach these two together. Before that, I'll attach a cardboard strip over here, and then I'll attach the top one too, and you can see the holes are on exact same place. And then I'll just make another cylindrical shape and another one which is more smaller. And after making these two, I'll just cut it accordingly. So as you can see, I've cut it in this into a slanting shape, and then this one also I'll cut in a slanting shape. And now it will get attached like this. So I'll just use hot glue gun and attach, and you can see some space is left over here, and that we will cover with paper clay. So don't worry about that, you just have to get this shape, and then you just have to stick it over here inside the circle. So after that, over here I'll just use some hot glue gun and stick this cardboard strip. So after that, I'll just take another cardboard circle and then a thin cardboard circle, as you can see, which is a size bigger, and then I'll just stick it over here on the base for the hand pump. So this way. And then this circle over here. So once that is done, now as you can see, I'll just start covering it with paper clay, and I'll just cover the hole. So you just have to give the perfect shape over here so that the hole gets covered and the hand pump look even more beautiful. So once that is done and it's now dried enough, I'll just take any foam sheet. You just have to take any foam sheet, and you have to cut out some stripes out of it and place the stripes on the places I'm showing. And don't worry about the color of the foam sheet, because initially we will be painting it later on in this video. So the color should be any one you want. just take this cardboard circle and I'll just make a hole inside it and then stick this foam circle over here on top of it, and then the smallest one. So after doing that, I'll just make the circle, the hole again, and now I'll just stick this cardboard piece over here within the craft wire, and then the pearl bead again. So I'll just do that on each of the sides. So this is how it looks. This will get connected to the hand pump. So now let's connect this. So I'll just take some cardboard circles again and I'll just put it over here with the wire. And now this will be the cap for the hand pump. Now I'll just stick it on top of the hand pump again, like this. So the cap is now closed and this is how it looks. Now over here I'll just attach these two pieces of cardboard coming out from here this way. So this is how it looks, guys. This is how the hand pump actually works. And then I'll just stick some white card paper stripes, or you can also stick foam sheet over here. And then I'll just take this cardboard base and put the hand pump over here. Now for the bucket, you know, it's very easy. So this is how the cardboard should be, and you just have to make a cylindrical shape but like a cone, if you know what I mean. And then you just have to put a circle, cardboard circle on the base to cover the bucket, and then you just have to stick some card paper strips. Now over here also I'll just stick the foam sheet card paper strip over here. Now I'll just make two holes on each of the sides, and I'll just take this craft wire, which is a shape like this, and I'll just put this over here. So this will be the handle for the bucket. This way, it's very easy. Now I'll just stick some cardboard stripes on each of the corners for the base to give it a more decent look, and then I'll just cover it on each of the four sides. So once that is done, now for the nails and holes which there are on hand pump, I'll just stick these cardboard coilings, small pieces of cardboard coilings over here on each of the four sides for the hand pump base. So now after that is done, now I'll just stick these two foam sheet circles over here and some over here also. So this is how it looks, guys. Now I'll just use the hot glue gun and cover this bucket. So this will be the another circle, and then I'll just paint it grey. So over here I'm painting, firstly I'm showing you how the iron bucket can be, iron or steel, and then paint this part black, and you can also make some design. But if you want to paint it in a plastic plastic color or any other design, then you can paint it again, and that's completely your choice. Now I'll just put some hot glue gun on a table, and then when it gets dried it will look like water. And also I'll just do that on the bucket as well, so it will look like water is already there. So now I'll just paint the base with grey paint and the borders with black. So I decided to go for a plastic bucket, so that's why I painted it into a brown color later on, and then I'll just highlight it over here so it will look like shadow. So now I'll just start painting this hand pump also in a grey paint. You can also put some highlights with silver color if you want, so it will give you the effect of iron, and that's what I want, so I'm painting it grey. So now I'll just paint it completely, all the foam sheets and everything will be painted with the same color, and also the handle as well. Now over here I'll just paint some black dots, 4 dots over here, and also I'll just paint these pearl beads with black paint again. So this is the hot glue gun which I'll be sticking over here. So this is how it looks, clear water, and this is how it works, guys. And then I can show you how I painted this bucket with brown paint. So this is how the completed hand pump looks right now, and this is how it looks, guys. If you want, you can paint any other bucket, you can paint any other designs you want. So this was how it was looking, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video you will be notified. Till